In Galicia, the son of Volodymyr Yaroslav ruled. He was called Osmomysl in the tale of Igor's campaign. He was truly a wise politician who led his state to great prosperity. At that time, Kyiv began to decline, while Halych was gaining increasing importance among the Ukrainian principalities. Yaroslav extended the borders of his state far to the south, braced the Carpathian Mountains with his iron regiments, closed the gates to the Danube, and dispensed justice along the Danube. This is recounted in the tale. Before his death, he bequeathed the throne to his illegitimate son, Ola. Even during Yaroslav's lifetime, the boyars in Galicia gained great power. They even interfered in the prince's personal life. Thus, at Avesh, the boyars decided to burn alive the prince's illegitimate wife, Anastasiva, whom Yaroslav loved dearly. They refused to carry out the last will of the deceased and drove out Ola, Anastasiva's son. In his place, they invited the legitimate son, Volodymyr Yaroslavich, son of Vsevolod. However, Volodymyr also did not submit to the boyars, so they expelled him and his family as well. Volodymyr fled to Hungary, and the boyars invited Prince Roman Yaroslav from Volhynia to rule. Volodymyr was given refuge by the Hungarian king Bela. Convinced of the prince's sincere loyalty, he sent his troops to Halych, supposedly to restore Volodymyr to the throne. When Roman heard that the Hungarian army had crossed the Carpathians, he, unprepared for defense, fled with the boyars loyal to him. Bela, encountering no resistance, entered Halych and, to Volodymyr's surprise, declared his own son Andrew the king of Halych. After convincing the boyars that Andrew would listen to their advice, Bela went back home. Volodymyr, as a captive, was taken along with him. Roman tried to return to Volodymyr Volynskii, but everything was under Volodymyr Mstislavich, who, ruling the city in his absence, refused to yield to his older brother. Only thanks to the intervention of other princes and Polish regiments was Roman able to reclaim his patrimony. In Hungary, Volodymyr, along with his wife and sons, was imprisoned in a tower. By cutting up the tent that had been set up for him there, he made ropes and escaped from the fortress, and then secretly fled from Hungary to the German Emperor, Frederick Barbarossa. Volodymyr asked him for support, promising to pay the German court 2,000 hryvnias from Rivne every year. Frederick could not send his troops to Halych, as he was preparing for the crusade at that time. So he gave Volodymyr a letter to the Polish Prince Casimir the Just. Casimir was not at all pleased with the presence of the Hungarians in Halych, and he readily agreed to fulfill the emperor's request. He gave Volodymyr Yaroslavich an army led by the Krakow voivode Mikola. When the people of Halych heard that their rightful ruler was approaching, they rose up and drove out the Hungarians. Volodymyr then established himself in Halych, and from that time on, no one challenged him, the chronicler recounts.